So over here you can see that I have a blank slide, and if I were to go over here and type in something, let's say for example this, and press spacebar, what happens is that the first letter capitalizes. So I can type in another word. So this is a title, as you can see right here. I can go around over here and say point, press space. You can see that the first letter becomes capitalized, and then if I were to go over here and type in point number 1, this is what happens right here. But all of the time we may actually need to capitalize the first letter. Sometimes you may want it to be small letter. For example, A is a small letter right here. So you can see that if I were to type in this does not make sense. So now, in order to turn off the automatic capitalization, what you can do is you can go to Tools right here and then go to Preferences. Once you do that, you can see that there's automatically capitalized words checked on. So if I were to turn this off, what happens now is that if I were to press A and press space, you can see that it does not automatically capitalize. So you can say something like C is a small letter right here. This makes much more sense right there. But if you want the feature to be turned back on, then you go back again into Tools, onto Preferences, just check this out, and then if you were to type in a letter, press spacebar, you can see that it automatically capitalizes the words again. So that is how you can use the automatically capitalized word feature inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.